Hey guys, welcome back. We're here at 1912 Huntington Lane. This one's just over 2,500 square feet. Price is $139, and we're gonna be holding this open on Sunday, so pop in to see us. We'll be here from 1 to 4. Let's go on in and take a look. As you walk in, you've got some storage, a nice powder room for your guests, and it opens up into a lovely living room area with recessed lighting. I love the ambiance that it gives the living room. Also in the living room, you've got a wet bar here, definitely helpful for entertaining your guests, and the backsplash is a white tile with LED lighting. Let's go ahead upstairs and check out the bedrooms. All right, this iron staircase feels very strong. You're also greeted by the wooden floors as you come up top. The ceilings are nice and high. On this side of the homes, you've got 2 bedrooms. They're pretty much identical, but let's go into one and take a look. Here's one of the bedrooms, very nice. I love the arches that are on the windows, bringing in that natural light. Up above, you've got the crown molding, which complements the style of this home. And inside the closet, they all come equipped with custom cabinetry. Let's go over and take a look at the bathroom. You've got a lovely bathroom here for those 2 bedrooms, double sinks. I won't bore you too much with the bathroom. Let's go over to the master bedroom and take a look. Surprise, surprise. So before you get into your master bedroom, you've got a balcony, and you've also got a little waiting area that you can use to entertain your guests outside of your room. You've got a wet bar here with a refrigerator. So this is great. I love it. Just an extra bonus before we get over into the master bedroom. So let's take a look. So this is the master bedroom. It has a perfect arch, lovely fan. This slate fireplace looks great. I really like that raw finish, and it complements the floors and the walls great. Let's take a walk down this hallway. It's going to lead us into the bathroom. This is the master bathroom, very welcoming, quartz countertops. It's also got a nice shower, and the backsplash complements the floors. This is the master closet, plenty of space for all your clothing, fitted with custom cabinetry. We're going to be here Sunday from the hours of 1 to 4 against 1912 Huntington Lane, unit number B. Stop in and see us. We'll be having refreshments. Love to see you there. Take care.